Spray this on your feet, and you'll get rid of the problem for good. All it takes is a simple homemade mixture. Start with a glass and pour in some alcohol. It refreshes, kills bacteria, and disinfects, keeping your feet clean and fresh for longer. The next ingredient is whole peppercorns. These tiny beads have a warming effect and naturally protect against microbial growth. Add a handful into vinegar, and the combination boosts the odor-fighting power. Now add a handful of cloves. They have a wonderful fragrance and strong antibacterial properties, making the mixture both effective and pleasant smelling. Finally, add a teaspoon of salt. It absorbs moisture and keeps your feet dry and comfortable to the touch. Salt also helps regulate perspiration, giving long-lasting results noticeable from the first use. Transfer everything into a spray bottle and shake well. Just spray your feet, and sweating will be a thing of the past. Your feet will stay dry, fresh, and nicely scented, and you'll feel confident in every situation.